Pagkarating at pagkalapag ni Senator Bato de la Rosa doon sa Senado, abay hinarang pala siya ng NBI. Kaya pala dumugo ang kanyang mga daliri dahil nakipag-wrestling daw ito di umano sa taga-NBI. Pero tagumpay naman na nakapasok doon sa loob ng Senado at nakaboto sa botohan ng magiging bagong Senate President. At nang natapos na nga yung botohan at naihalal na at nanumpa na ang bagong Senate President na si Alan Peter Cayetano, abay nandun na agad si dating Senator Antonio Trillanes. Abay dala-dala na ang ICC warrant arrest. Aba ay parang lumalabas na sinungaling ang CIDG at sina Remulla noong nakaraan. O dito lamang no kahapon yata ang sabi nila, wala pa naman daw nagiging warrant arrest ang ICC. Tapos ngayon biglang sumulpot si Trillanes nung sumulpot din si Senator Bato. So dito natin mapapatunayan na talagang sinungaling ang nasa gobyerno. At dito sa video na ito ay pinakita ni Trillanes, pinagyabang pa ang warrant daw ni Senator Bato. Panoorin natin.
So ito yung warrant, no?
Ayan ayan nga.
Ilan siya? Antay ko siya. Oh.
Diba? Meron pala.
I showed up. Tinamon niya ako, nasamahan ko yung mag-arrest sa kanya.
Ay.
Nandito ko ngayon.
Wow. O diba, tingnan mo tong tao na to, no? Si Trillanes. Meron ba itong posisyon dito sa gobyerno? Kailan pa siya taga-aresto? Kailan pa siya naging ICC arrest officer? At dala-dala pa niya, no? Itong warrant arrest mula sa ICC. At ito panoorin natin yung naging pahayag ni Senator Bato sa di umano yung pag-wrestling sa kanya ng NBI na pinigilan niyang pumasok sa loob ng Senado.
Permission, Senator Soto, can we recognize Senator Bato
Yeah, sure.
before acting on your reservation?
Right.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President. As of now, Mr. President, Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library. Mr.
Sa labas pa sila.
May I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people from the vicinity of the Senate?
Mr. President, dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate,
Tama.
is welcome in the Senate and
Tama
will, of
naman.
course, be given due courtesy
Unless.
he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he is
President.
part of the harassment. So
Kasama niya.
you gave me that
Siya
answer.
ang nagkuha sa
Yes.
NBI na harangin ako dito.
Galit na galit si Bato.
So with,
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito siya?
yes, with that clarification, is there any objection that we ask we will ask the NBI to leave except for the person or people who assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault sa'yo, hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest. No? Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito,
Yung dapat ang paalisin.
may motion ang Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Mr. President,
Yes, Mr. President, that
Senator
is,
Soto first.
I have no objection to the motion of Senator De La Rosa. As a
Kawawa
matter of
si
fact,
Soto.
I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the
Yes,
previous
yes,
motion.
yes,
There is a
yes.
pending motion kaya hindi
Yes.
pwedeng patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion.
Thank you
So
for that
let's
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator Jingoy Estrada unless he wants to withdraw the motion.
Yes. With Senator Pia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
it's a continuation of the removal of the person. So I can wait until
Yes,
this
let's
motion is
act
resolved.
first on that. Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Grabe.
if I may,
Yes.
sana bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga
Exactly.
nagharang sa akin at i-inquest
tama.
natin.
Yes.
Papailan natin ng kaso bago sila paalisin dito lahat. Yan, para tayong king queen dito.
Yes.
Inassault na tayo dito sa ating opisina.
Tama nga naman.
Tapos walang mangyayari.
Mm.
Alisin lang natin.
No,
We have to arrest them.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's my point a while ago. Papaalisin yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault
Yes.
sa'yo. And
Correct.
that is not limited to those who
Yung mga
threw
nag-assault
punches
lang.
or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I am
session,
sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Andyan siya eh.
then
Kasama sila.
my suggestion is to consult with the legal and to bring them for inquest. No, but before that,
Sira
I will
ulo din to
follow
si Trillanes
the
eh.
suggestion of Senator Soto. Can we first dispose or withdraw muna?
Mr. President, I withdraw my previous motion.
So since the motion is withdrawn, Senator Pia.
Yes. I think this is what the Senate President had in mind in any case. Let me just put on record, I think Senator Bato will also welcome this. Before removing anyone who is not involved, we have to determine who is involved and who is not involved.
Yes.
Obviously, I think that's quite obvious. But to be clear with the instructions of the Senate President, everybody here should be dealt with because they are here for a reason. We need to hear from them. They should give their testimony kung bakit sila nandito, sino ang nagpapunta sa kanila dito, ano ang instructions sa kanila, kahit tumayo lang sila dito. We want to know, why are they here? So just to be clear, I'm pretty sure that is what the Senate President meant, but perhaps we can instruct our legal team very carefully bago paalisin. Pati yung identification nila, yung official identification nila, baka may mag-missing in action dyan. We just want to be clear that everyone who even witnessed, even if they were just a witness, we would want to have access to them, Mr.
Yeah.
President. Thank you.
Let me clarify. No? If the committees themselves can hold in direct or indirect contempt unruly guests, may they be witnesses, may they be our employees or whatsoever, basta't non-members ng Senate, lalo na pwedeng mag-direct or indirect contempt dito sa Senado. But we are dealing with two separate things, whether what they did was contemptuous, and then secondly, whether there was a criminal offense committed within our premises in front of our faces that gives us the right for an arrest and ask the DOJ for an inquest. That is why I think the
DOJ.
Sergeant at Arms took our instructions a while ago not only to view the video but to conduct an immediate investigation. Maybe we can have a 2-minute suspension and consult with the Sergeant of Arms kung nasaan na yung investigation nila before we ask anyone to leave the Senate. Tama si Senator Bato at Senator Pia. Baka palisin natin pero baka naman sila yung
Involved.
dapat arrest. So we'll suspend for 1 minute.
Pero ito yung nakababahala. Ibinahagi ni Attorney Taruyon na mayroon intelligence report na natanggap nila di umano na may naka-standby daw na aircraft para kunin sa Senator Bato. Ayon sa post ni Israelito Torion, Pilipinas, meron kaming intelligence report na natanggap na may naka-standby daw na aircraft para dukutin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Huwag naman sana. Idaan siya dapat sa proseso ng ating bansa. Dapat masunod pa rin ang 1987 Constitution natin at mga batas natin. At ibinahagi naman ng isa pang abogado na si Attorney Darwin Cañete na mayroong nalabag na batas itong si Trillanes at ang NBI sa kanilang pagtatangkang dakpin si Senator Bato. Ayon sa post ni Darwin Cañete, Article 145, violation of parliamentary immunity. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall use force, intimidation, threats, or fraud to prevent any members of the National Assembly, Congress of the Philippines, from attending the meetings of the Assembly or Congress, or of any of its committee or subcommittees, constitutional commissions or committees, or divisions thereof, from expressing his opinions or casting his vote. And the penalty of prison correctional shall be imposed upon any public officer or employee who shall, while the assembly is in regular or special session, arrest or search any member thereof, except in case such member has committed a crime punishable under this code by a penalty higher than Prison Mayor, Act Number 3815, Revised Penal Code. So pwede na namang humimas ng rehas itong si Trillanes. Pero napakatapang na Senator Bato at nagpakita doon sa Senado kahit alam niyang risky. Dahil alam niya na anytime pwede siyang kunin. Gaya ng ginawa nila kay dating Pangulong Duterte na dalhin sa ICC the Netherlands. Pero sumipot pa rin si Senator Bato para bumoto doon sa loob ng Senado para mapalitan na ang liderato ng Senado. Grabe. Grabe sila kasi noong hindi nagpapakita si Senator Bato, hinahanap nila. Sumasahod daw ng absent, sumasahod daw ng wala sa opisina. Pero ngayon, nung sumipot naman, ang dami pa rin nasabi. So maliwanag lang yung sinabi ni John Vic Remulla na sabpi na lamang ang kanilang inihahain kay Senator Bato. Pero ngayong araw lumabas din mismo. Abay meron na palang ICC warrant arrest. Si Trillanes pa ang nagdala. At siya pa ang aaresto kay Senator Bato. May posisyon ka ba sa gobyerno ngayon, Trillanes? Naging acting arrest officer ka na ngayon Kasi si Trillanes hindi naman taga-gobyerno. Bakit siya ang mag-aaresto? Ano ba siya? Interpol? Etong mga kumakampi sa administrasyon, hindi pa kayo nagtatanong, ano ba yung role ni Trillanes sa gobyernong ito? Oo, si Trillanes ang nag-complain. Siya ang nag-file ng complaint. Pero wala siyang karapatan na mag-aresto ng kung sino man. Kasi hindi naman siya ICC. Lalong hindi rin siya Interpol. Hindi naman siya law enforcement agency dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya parang ang gulo na ng Pilipinas. Kahit sino na lang. Abay sino-sino na lamang ng aaresto. Sa patunay lang na itong Pilipinas ay hindi napapamunuan ng tunay na leader. At ang Pilipinas ngayon na under Marcos administration ay parang namamanipula ng kung sino man. Ang gulo kasi kaka-announce lang ng ICC. ICC mismo ang nagsabi wala daw warrant of arrest. Sila na ini-issue. Tapos ngayon merong hawak si Trillanes. Instant. So sana lang hindi totoo yung sinabi ni Attorney Torion na meron daw naka-standby na aircraft na siyang kukuha kay Senator Bato. At ewan ko kung saan dadalhin. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa kaganapan ngayon sa Senado? At ngayong bago na ang Senate President at nagpakita na si Senator Bato sa Senado. Ano sa tingin nyo ang susunod na hakbang ng Senado sa bagong pamumuno o bagong liderato ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano? Mag-convene kaya ang Senado bilang impeachment court? Matuloy kaya ang Senate trial? Abangan natin yan. Ano ang inyong opinion? Abay, ishare mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like dyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.